Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are doing great. This is our holy month and it falls around July and August, and there are a lot of festivities in this month. The Fridays of this month are devoted to this deity, which she is known as Jivti, and she's like a more protector of the kids. She blesses the kids. She's holding Amrit, which is a nectar or like a divine syrup for immortality. I would interpret it as, for long and healthy life of the kids. In other hand, she's holding a cradle and there's a baby in it. There are kids sitting at her feet. So yeah, Jivti is worshipped on the Fridays, and we make a very nice sweet for her, which is offered to her, and it is made of banana and wheat. We call it as Umber. I make it like fritters, or sometimes I make it like a small pancakes, and I'm going to make that and show it to you. Let's make this banana umber or a pancake or banana fritters. I have one banana, then whole wheat flour, and this is jaggery, grated jaggery. You can take brown sugar or just regular sugar. And just about it, these three ingredients. And I have here the pure ghee, the clarified butter in the pan. And the first thing is I will mash these bananas till it become completely, like a slurry. Once you keep mashing it, it will become like a liquid. You can see it's now mashed. This is the whole banana. And now we will add the jaggery in it. Then you have to dissolve this jaggery into it. I'm going to add more, otherwise it won't be that sweet, because we are going to add the wheat flour to it. So now you see the jaggery has completely now incorporated into this banana liquid. We are going to add the whole wheat flour, and we are going to just add as required. I mean, there is no particular measurement to it. At least I don't have it. I just do it as per how much the liquid is. I will add the wheat flour. So for this we have to keep on adding till we feel that it's as good as a pancake mixture, like a drop consistency. Put more. So the ghee is hot now, and we will start frying the umber or the pancake. It's up to us how big the pancake should be. I'm just going to make the small spoonful. Take one more. It comes out nice fluffy even without the baking powder. So I turned it and it has come out so well. It smells so good. Also, I like this pan, this cast iron. It's so good. It evenly heats up and the food just comes out so good. I'm going to take this out and I'm going to make the rest of it and then offer it to the deity. So here it is, all done and offered. I hope you like this video. Please like, share, subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.